the no burping challenge, which you have to drink a Diet Coke and not burp, which is gonna suck because I can burp off one sip. This is the Uncle Steve special. All right, you ready, dude?
I am so ready. I wouldn't let him. Dude! Oh no! I heard the sound.
I heard the sound and I knew it.
But it got all over me.
What are you doing?
No burping challenge.
You're not going to spit anything on the floor, right?
No.
You don't spill any of that.
No. I can't burp.
Do you feel like you have to burp?
Yeah.
No comment.
This is really hard. Oh my god, this is really stupid, dude.
You're what? You're not even halfway through yet.
This is dumb, dude. Why the hell would I don't know if I want to keep doing this.
How you feeling?
I'm good. I'm pretty decent. God, my teeth are gonna fall out by the time I'm 40, dude.
Just go brush your teeth 4 times after.
This is so unhealthy. Now, if I was drinking a regular Coke, all those calories, bro, no bueno.
How's your stomach?
Not good.
How many servings are in that whole bottle?
6 servings.
6 servings.
Yeah, 6.
What, two-thirds done? You drank 4 servings of Coke. I mean, you're almost done. Oh, that's a lot of slurping. You have soda all over your shirt, bro. It's in your hood.
Oh god, I feel like I'm gonna puke, dude.
You wanna go outside? So you don't throw up on the floor?
Can you just give me a bucket?
Where would a bucket be?
Oh my god, I hope you guys like freaking puke lattes, bro.
It's echoing off the thing.
Oh. I just drank a whole 2 liter of Diet Coke. I don't think that's healthy. I'm never gonna do this again. You're not buying me another 2 liter tomorrow. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Drop that shit. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.